3, 2, 1.
What is used to open a can of food? The answer is C, can opener. Which device uses an electromagnetic coil to produce a magnetic field? The answer is C, speaker. How many U.S. state capitals share the same first letter with their state? The answer is A, 4. How many episodes were there of the TV series Gilligan's Island? The answer is C, 98. What is the fundamental particle carrying electric charge? The answer is C, electron. How many songs do 80GB iPods hold up to? The answer is A, 20,000. In Season 1 of The Real World, the girls spent a week on what island? The answer is A, Jamaica. A student finds that an unidentified mineral sample can scratch gypsum but is unable to scratch quartz. The student has made an observation about which property of the sample? The answer is B, hardness. George W. Bush, who became U.S. President in 2001, was born in which city? The answer is D, New Haven, Connecticut, USA. Which of these behaviors does a dolphin learn? The answer is C, balancing a ball on its nose. Why did many people criticize the Agricultural Adjustment Act AIA of 1933? The answer is A, paid farmers to grow less than previously. In which country is the fictional town of Pawnee from Parks and Recreation located? The answer is B, USA, Michigan. Which fashion accessory has been traced back to the ancient Egyptians? The answer is A, scarf. What is known as the longest day in World War II history? The answer is B, Battle of Stalingrad. Which is true about reproduction in both a euglena and a paramecium? The answer is A, they divide vertically. At the end of Season 5 of Star Trek, Voyager, the USS Voyager discovers that it is not the only Federation ship stranded in the Delta Quadrant. What is the name of the other ship? The answer is B, USS Equinox. Which sitcom features the character Ross Geller? The answer is A, Friends. What were the first 3 executive departments during George Washington's tenure as president? The answer is B, War, State, Treasury. What type of food is pita? The answer is D, bread. Who made the statement, "He who has 1,000 friends has not a friend to spare, and he who has one enemy will meet him everywhere"? The answer is C. Ali, the fourth caliph of Islam. What is the smallest organism classified as a plant? The answer is D. Algae. In The Matrix, what is Neo's real name? The answer is A. Thomas Anderson. What is the name of Kelly and David's sister in Beverly Hills, 90210? The answer is A. Aaron. Which of THSE animals have a musical ear and musical memory and are able to distinguish 3 melody sounds? The answer is A. Elephants. Which is not a type of tennis racket string? The answer is D. Wood. In science, what do we call a mathematical relationship that exists between observations under a given set of conditions? The answer is A. Law. Jim Brown, the great Syracuse University back, made the number 44 famous. Which great Syracuse back wore 44 after Jim Brown? The answer is D. Ernie Davis. Which philosophical concept states that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts? The answer is A. Holism. Which element has the symbol Na and is highly reactive? The answer is B. Sodium. Which term in psychology refers to the process of reverting to an earlier, childlike form of behavior? The answer is C. Regression. What is the state flower for Pennsylvania? The answer is A. Mountain laurel. Which country is known as the largest producer of cashmere wool? The answer is B. China. Animals of the same species may have difficulty recognizing each other. Which adaptation most likely developed to help animals recognize each other? The answer is C. The ability to produce body scents. What is the color of the dress in the dress viral picture? The answer is C. Red and green. The human body processes and eliminates food waste using the organs of the excretory system. Which organelle performs a similar function in humans at the cellular level? The answer is C. Lysosome. What service allows users to post short messages with images and videos? The answer is B. Instagram. What is the simplest life cycle? The answer is A. Haploid life cycle. What is the base form of acetic acid? The answer is D. Acetic acid. What light-producing process occurs when a substance absorbs shorter wavelength ultraviolet light and then gives off the energy as visible light? The answer is B, fluorescence. What does AM stand for? The answer is A, afternoon. Who wrote Treatise on Human Nature? The answer is A, David Hume. Which fruit is often found in a cocktail? The answer is D, grapefruit. Most gas molecules in the atmosphere are pulled close to Earth's surface by what force? The answer is A, gravity. What term is used to describe a chemical released by an animal that affects the behavior or physiology of animals of the same species? The answer is B, pheromone. In the novel Gone with the Wind, what was the name of Scarlett's first house, the house she had her childhood in and loved more than anything? The answer is D, Tara. The number one girl's name of 2006, Emily, means what? The answer is D, industrious. The planets orbit around what celestial body? The answer is A, Sun. What is the fastest speed achieved by Sonic in Sonic the Hedgehog games? The answer is C, 196,550 mph. What is the traditional Native American wind instrument? The answer is D, didgeridoo. Which architect designed the Lloyd's of London building, known for its inside-out design?